An art world mystery is solved, and the answer is found in an unlikely place, a Catholic church in New Rochelle.
Painting of the Holy Family with infant St. John the Baptist as the work of Cesare Dandini, an Italian master of the Baroque style.
I thought it was shocking to see here in New Rochelle.
It may have been painted in Florence in the 1630s, perhaps a commission from the Medici family. The Dandini is temporarily on display at Iona, hung up high, as the artist intended. You can tell by the way he positioned the Virgin Mary's foot.